Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit permissions on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to invite some people to use your ClickUp and you want to work with other team members. How do you actually go ahead and edit their permissions? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to then on the upper right-hand corner, let's click on our profile icon. Then from here, we're going to click on settings. And then from this page here, on the left-hand side, you're going to click on security and permissions. Now, once you're on this page here, if you scroll down, you're going to see that you have invite permissions, but you also have custom role permissions as well. So in order to edit this though, you can see that there's simple toggle on or off buttons where let's say the admin has all these permissions here, members have all these permissions here, and then guests also have these permissions here. So you can go through all these permissions and you can toggle different things on or off depending on what roles you want. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit permissions on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.